Hi guys, this is the pound USD trade which I shared with you in the forum. So if you go to the forum, here's what I said around 1 o'clock today. It's the 15th of July, and I said on the 4 hour this is a head and shoulder which looks quite good, and it's not a complete head and shoulder yet because the right shoulder is not formed yet, but if it does break towards the downside, that would be a short for me. But on the daily time frame, there's an inverted head and shoulder, so if it does break to the upside, I will be looking to take a long. So I will take it whichever way it breaks out. So then on the 4 hour is where I got my confirmation an hour later, and we had the pin bar and then the bullish engulfing candle breaking above the area of interest. So this is where I got in, and what also kind of helps me to get in, because I'm quite good at sales, I just flip the chart and then look at it the other way, and there is the pin bar and then the engulfing candle. So that also kind of helped me to get into the trade. So if I flip that back, that is the trade over there, and today it has done more than the daily range, 120 pips, and that is partly because if you look here on the trading view, there's no news of it on Forex Factory. I was trying to look why is the pound rising suddenly, and that's because the investors are having a positive sentiment towards who the next finance minister is going to be. So Andy Burnham is expected to be confirmed prime minister on Monday, next Monday, and then he's basically, I think, going to appoint a new finance minister and probably take away Rachel Reeves, who is in right now. So basically the attention has shifted to that, and they're having a positive sentiment towards who the next finance minister is going to be, and that is why the pound is basically rising. Now I'm going to leave it as it is for now. I'm not going to move my stops or take partial profits at the moment. I think we are currently above 70 pips up, so of course it's not even like 1 to 2 just yet. If it was around 1 to 2 there, then I would have considered taking some partial profit, but I'm going to leave it to run because this could be the start of a move. So my overall target is about 180 pips, so I'm going to obviously leave it to run a bit more because I think this is the start of the move, and I will keep you updated later on whatever happens with the trade. Hi guys, another trade update on the pound USD, and it has actually done quite a lot today, twice the daily range, and we are now up currently around 110 pips. I did say in the previous clip that if it was at 1 to 2, I would be looking to take partial profit on this, and it has done about 160 pips, twice the daily range, and it normally doesn't do that, as we know. So because of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take most of my profit, and I got about another 80 pips to basically run towards take profit, but I would maybe expect a little bit of a pullback in here. So while I'm 110 pips up, I would like to take some partial profit. So I'm going to close, and I'm going to close 0.80. So close that, and what I'm also going to do is make the trade risk-free. So now the trade can run for the rest of the week, and I will have a look how it does tomorrow and the day after as well. Okay, if anything else, I'll keep you updated.